Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel, where we are on our next video, and this is how to set up a MetaTrader 4 account part 8. I think really we've gone way past the setting up part, but this is just showing you what's what, etc. Okay, now since we are here, let's just look at these things. Let's just look in here a minute. File. Let's see what's in File. File allows you to open a new chart. Open offline means you can actually, well, this is when you're setting up what we call charts in seconds. It's a bit detailed, a bit complicated. You can do things like, we're going to be getting into doing things like opening, or this open data folder. We'll need to do that later on. Open an account. We can show you how to do that. Log into your trade account. That's how you log into your trade account from somewhere else. So remember, or let's see, where has that gone? It's up here. It's moved away. So this section here, this was the number we used. Let me just check my phone a minute, because I took a picture of that. And is it the same number? Let's see. Yes, it is. So this is the login details that you would have had for your when you logged in or set up your account for the first time, and this is your password. Now you can't see it. It saved the account information, but the thing is, I don't know. Do you know? But if ever I lose my password, if I lose this, I'm lost. So I need to write it down. It doesn't appear to come up anywhere. You don't know what it is. I don't think you can find it. But if you know different, you MetaTrader 4 expert out there, let me know. Where else can you find a password if ever you lose it? But this is how you can re-log in. We don't want to do that because we're already logged in. So log into trade account. I've never really used this. And then this is, I never press exit either. I just go over here. So view, going to be using this. We'll be looking at things such as market watch. So to get the markets back again, you click on there, remember that? And then to get these markets, to show all, you click on show all, and you can see all of these markets you can choose to trade from. Okay, we close it down here. You know what, I tend to, watch this, I tend to like putting this market watch down here. Let's see if we can do that. Yeah, didn't work. Not yet, anyway. Next to this. There we are. No, but I want this market watch on this side. Now, I'm playing around, aren't I? Dinking around. Okay, I tend to like it here, so because I don't like to disturb this. But for you who want to keep it up the top, you can. But the market watch is here, shows you all these markets. Okay, and you can right click. But anyway, actually, for this object, this exercise, it looks better over here, doesn't it? So playing around. I'm going to mess it all up. There we are, back there again. So you can scroll down, see all the markets there. See how you can play around with it. Can't really damage it, but you can shift these windows around. So once again, we don't want all these markets, because if you have all these markets, when you have the software, the program running, having all these markets running will scupper the program, whereas it won't work. It won't switch on. It just won't do things. So you want to clean this up by clicking on hide all. Okay, so that's all you have there. Okay, what else we got in the view button? Data window, we don't really use that. Navigator, yes, we're going to be going back to Navigator. We're going to be loading our expert advisors in here. Okay, and close that. And what else do we use? Terminal. This is a terminal down here. So if I click on terminal, it disappears. So if you ever you find this, your terminal's not there, go over to view, click on terminal, and then you can click on, find it. Strategy tester. Oh, that's brilliant. This is brilliant. But I don't really, for you who know how to use it, because then you can test how the EA works using the strategy tester. Once you've keyed in all your data parameters, values, etc., you've got your variables and values. Once you've keyed all the data in, you can then use this strategy tester to see if it works. But I don't like to back test because it doesn't really prove much to me. I don't know about you. But anyway, so that's that. And what else we got? View. That's all I really do. That's all I do. Okay. So what happened to my charts here? It seems like it's got a bit messed up. Let's pull this down. There we are. So there. I like everything to be absolutely spot on tidy. But that's it for now. We're going to get into the next video, and we're going to, let's see, what are we going to look at next? Yeah, well, we're not going to add any indicators here, but you can add indicators from here. The trend types, all these different types here. I tend to deal in parabolics only, but that's all that, okay? But next step will be to show you just a few more little bits and pieces up here, and then we're going to be loading the EA. Thank you.